Oh, puddle, better put the window up and drive through it. I'll splosh of muddy water. Sorry I didn't do this morning's one. I just really couldn't be bothered. I can't get in the mood since Saturday. I just want to be lazy and relax. Another little thing that gets my goat is my mobile phone contract is only limited data. About 8 gigs per month. That's on Vodafone, and I've got a free Wi-Fi mobile dongle unit, and I've got that unlimited for £22 a month, and the signal is pretty great. It's 4G. I brought it into work today because, as you can see, it's raining. We've just been sent home because of the weather, and one of the things is I've got a Samsung S8. Now it's the C-type plug, USB to C-type. That's great. I bought a bundle of them off of Amazon because I'm quite rough with mine and they get a lot of wear and tear. So I bought some nice ones, a box set of about 5, I think, various lengths. But they're not the micro USB, and they don't fit my dongle, which really gets my goat because the dongle is a new one from Free. So why they didn't make it the C-type like the phones are now? Why keep with the old USB type and not go? I really don't know. It's a new unit. But I'm concerned now. Well, or should I be concerned, or is it just media hype with the Huawei thing? Huawei, however you want to pronounce it. I don't really know, and I don't care, to be honest. It's that Chinese company that Trump doesn't like, basically, and he's telling the rest of the world, don't use them. This is what stuffed up their phones, because Google won't play with them no more. So, will my MiFi unit shut off? I have no idea. We're just going to have to wait on that one. But that will be interesting. I can probably see some truth in the matter. The Chinese probably like spying. I mean, as soon as I upload this and the keyword tags up China, they'll probably start spying on me. So I don't think I'll end up, I mean, it can't be that bad. They'll do a rendition flight on me and I'll end up in a re-education camp, they call them now. I mean, just a glorified prison, basically. Well, not even a glorified prison, it is a prison. That's what it is. Just a nice new way of putting prison. And a bit like Guantanamo Bay. Now I bet as soon as I upload this, you know, certain country with stars and stripes, probably will have me on a rendition flight to Camp Gitmo, where they'll force feed. Well, they won't have to force feed me. Let's face it, I'm big boned, so I'll just eat what they ever put in front of me except fish. I cannot stand fish, but they'll probably torture me with it. Stinky mummified fish they like to cook in the Philippines. Oh my god, it's stinky. You know, my worst fart doesn't even compare to mummified fish. But but yeah, it would be interesting if I because let's face it, certain internet companies know everything about you, so I'm sure the Stars and Stripes company, who control all the software to the phones, will be passing this information on to certain security groups, and that's it. Why should I slow down and stop for you? You had every ample opportunity. Gets my goat. And yeah, I might be on an interesting flight to Cuba. Put on an orange jumpsuit and yeah, no visiting flights, certainly not conjugal. I don't think they're gonna fly my family. Oh my God, what's come loose in the truck? I don't think I'll get conjugal rights in Guantanamo Bay. Be nice though. It's nice that they let, you know, at certain prisons you can have relations with a woman. I know mainly if you're in the general population, you'll get a conjugal visit from a very hairy con. I suppose to say I would be, you know, I'm not sort of a confrontational physical guy. I'd end up the prison bitch, because don't say thank you. Yeah, I'd just hope for God that they would bring Vaseline. I mean, I'm not sure how available that is in prison. I don't really want to know. That's why I tend to kind of stay good. I don't think prison would suit me. Well, that doesn't suit a lot of people, but I'd just rather not go at all. Be a good boy. Except in certain areas where I do turn into the devil, and my I won't say poor partner suffers, she enjoys, but when it, you know, sort of, I won't go into detail, but yeah, no, I do like to have a bit of fun. You'll get wet, my love, it's raining. You look a bit lost. Oh no, she's with somebody in an orange top in the field. Just wonder what they're doing. They're not dogging because they're not in a car. I was just, I think they do it around here sometimes, around these lanes, but you know, to be honest, if I'm coming through here, I just want to get on. I want to either go where I'm going and get back, or you know, just because your windows are steamed up, I'm not gonna stop and start filming. Yeah, there's so much of that free rubbish on the, you know, on the internet, so just deal with it there. Anyway, guys and girls, I'm gonna go because I just want to get back and go to bed, really. Well, it wasn't even a long night Saturday, but just the drinks really knocked me sideways. So, trying to go back to bed and be lazy and watch Netflix. So, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.